People are funny. You know, kids, adults. In some ways they're the same, but they're so different. Adults are serious. They have routines. They seem to know lots of important things like don't sweat the small stuff. Yet somehow, they still worry about everything. What to wear, their kids. I don't know why they worry so much about their kids. Kids are fine the way they are, filled with wonder and excitement, seeing the good in people, and happy. Even happy when they're sick. I mean, who's happy when they're sick? I got sick one day. I remember waking up, and I just felt tired. Not tired like I went swimming all day, but tired like I didn't even want to go outside. It seemed to last forever. It's one of the problems with dog years. Tim kind of freaked out. You know, adults. He looked like he'd been crying when he put me in the car. He kept saying he was sorry, and he didn't want to put me down. I'm not sure what that was all about. When we arrived at the vet, well, Dr. Kent didn't have a tail, but if he had, I'm sure it would be wagging. He was nice. Even though we were there for me, I think he made Tim feel better too. He helped me through some really tough times. I didn't know it then, but he was working on something really important. He kept using this word, cancer. And I guess what he was doing for me was going to help people too. People like my friend Lily. In fact, my doctor and her doctor seemed to work a lot together. Dr. M, she called him. He must have been amazing. He really worked hard to help her feel better. He even showed her how to do doctor stuff. He really took care of her. I remember what it was like, not knowing what all the fuss was about, just wondering if I'd ever feel normal again. Oh, the first day we met. It's funny. Tim said I'd never know how much I'd done for her, but I think she did more for me. She tried so hard to be strong. The poking, the machines, the medicine. But it all seemed to disappear when we were together. Sometimes when we just look at each other, I daydream we were out in the grass looking up at the sky. Just sunshine and love and feeling that right there, everything was perfect. But I'd never know when or if I'd get to see her again. That was a hard time for me. But I did see her again. She made me a special hat and a big sticky treat. We made a huge mess, and we didn't even get in trouble. We played for hours. And eventually, we got tired. But not tired like we were sick again. She told me all about her new friends at school, her favorite teachers, Mr. Adams' bad breath. I don't know what the deal is. I kind of like bad breath. She told everyone at school about her experience at UC Davis and that her best friend saved her life. Yep, I like to think she was talking about me.